Children! Form. Kanina pa kayo, late na. 5 ka na lang ako. 1, 2, 5. Chon. Call off.
1, 2, 3, pulas na basa.
Kanina pa kayo, late na naman kayo. Oh. Sabi ko sa inyo, it's better to be advanced 1 hour than to late 1 minute. Ha? Yan lagi ko na, kasi anong oras na kasi kayo nagigising? Ha? Oh, pasisipag kitang tonton ka lang. Rap. Ayusin nyo yung, ano nyo na, ha? Pagka sa gabi kasi, huwag na kayong ano to? Lunchbox. Okay? Sige. Recite, honor code, recite.
Sir, we children that lie, cheat, steal, not tolerate among us those who do, sir.
Ephesians 6:1.
Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Proverbs 3:5 and 6.
Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not to thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths.
Very good. Okay, report.
Me? Papa, di ako.
Oh, sige. Okay, siya yan naman. Okay, ayusin pa sila ha. Ready, report.
Ready, salat. Sir, we are doing the Cuban company. Request permission to leave, sir.
Huwag ka muna mag-down kasi hindi pa ako nag-acknowledge sa iyo. Okay? Kayo dalawa, hindi na kayo mag-report. Attention na kayo. Lock straight forward. Lock straight forward kayo dalawa. Okay? Ulit. Pagka hindi pa kita na-acknowledge, huwag ka muna mag-down. Right? Okay. Again. Go.
Ready, salat. Sir, we are doing the Cuban company. Request permission to leave, sir.
Live. Very good. Binibigay sa school ha, mga anak ha. Ate, mga kapatid mo ha. Okay, sige. 5,000 na sa loob na kayo ng 6 by 1. Oh! Badala ka kayong ulit ha. Ingat kayo sa lakay.